The process of acquiring a loan can be difficult if your credit score is not as high as it could be. Some lenders, on the other hand, have made it their specialty to offer solutions to people who have problematic credit. We are going to take a look at the top 5 lenders who are recognized for providing loans to individuals who have credit that is less than excellent in this video. When it comes to obtaining financial aid, we will discuss the distinctive characteristics, application procedures, and advantages and disadvantages of each option in order to assist you in making an educated choice. Number 1. Upstart. A fresh approach to bad credit loans. Artificial intelligence and machine learning are utilized by Upstart, a lending platform, in order to determine whether or not a borrower is creditworthy. For the purpose of determining whether or not a borrower is able to repay a loan, Upstart takes into account a variety of characteristics, including education and employment history, in contrast to traditional lenders that depend primarily on credit ratings. Application process. An online application is the first step in the application process. This form requires you to give information about yourself, including your personal and financial details. Artificial intelligence evaluation. The algorithm that Upstart uses to evaluate your creditworthiness takes into account a variety of elements in addition to your credit score. You will be sent with a loan offer that includes terms and conditions if your application is successful. Funding. Once you have accepted the offer, the funds will normally be put into your account within 1 working day. Pros. Approach that is innovative. The utilization of artificial intelligence by Upstart makes it possible to conduct a more comprehensive evaluation of borrowers. Easy access to funding. The application procedure is simplified, and funds are frequently made available in a short amount of time. Checking your rates with Upstart will not have any effect on your credit score because it is a soft credit pull. Cons. Available in some states but not others. A number of states might not be able to access the services offered by Upstart. There is a fee known as the origination fee that is charged by Upstart. This fee is subtracted from the total borrowed amount. Number 2. OneMain Financial. Personalized loans for varied credit histories. The traditional lending company known as OneMain Financial serves customers with a wide range of credit histories, including those with poor credit. With physical branches located all throughout the United States, OneMain Financial is able to create a more personalized loan experience for its customers. Application process. Application in person at a branch or online. To begin the application process, you have the option of either applying online or going to a branch in your area. Person-to-person interview. In order to better understand your current financial condition, a loan specialist from OneMain Financial may conduct an in-person interview with you. Upon completion of the evaluation, you will be presented with a loan offer that includes the terms and conditions of the loan. In the event that you decide to accept the offer, the funds may be distributed on the same day. Pros. Physical branches. The opportunity to interact with a person in person is provided by the possibility of visiting a local branch. Flexible terms. OneMain Financial provides loan terms that are flexible in order to accommodate a wide range of financial requirements. The option of a secured loan is offered to individuals who are willing to utilize collateral as security for the loan. Cons. There is a possibility that the interest rates will be greater in comparison to those offered by other kinds of lenders. The origination fee that OneMain Financial charges is different for each state because it is determined by the legislation that govern that state. Number 3. Avant. Fast and accessible personal loans. Borrowers with poor credit are the primary target audience for Avant, an online lender that specializes in providing personal loans. In addition to being well known for its speedy and uncomplicated procedure, Avant's primary objective is to provide a smooth experience for individuals who are in need of financial aid. Application process. Filling out an online application form with your personal and financial information is the first step in going through the application process. Offer of Loan. Avant will assess your application and, if it is approved, will present you with an offer of loan. To accept the loan offer, first read over the terms and conditions, and if you are content with them, accept the loan. In the event that your application is accepted, the monies will normally be paid into your account the following working day. Pros. The internet infrastructure that Avant use enables speedy approval and funding, which is a significant benefit. Building credit. Avant helps borrowers rebuild their credit by reporting on-time payments to credit agencies, which helps strengthen their credit. Monthly payments that are predictable. Avant provides loans with fixed rates that have monthly payments that are predictable. Cons. It is possible that Avant will levy an origination fee. However, this will vary according on the state in which the customer resides. An increase in interest rates is possible for individuals who have lower credit scores because interest rates can be relatively high. Number 4. Lending Point. Tailored loans for challenging credit situations. Lending Point is a company that exclusively offers loans to people who have credit scores that are considered subprime. The organization uses a one-of-a-kind underwriting procedure that takes into account, in addition to the applicant's credit history, a number of other indicators, including the applicant's income, job, and recent financial conduct. Application process. Online application. To begin, you will need to fill out an online application form complete with your personal and financial information. Loan offer. After reviewing your application, Lending Point will give you with a loan offer that includes the terms. Consider the parameters of the offer and decide whether or not they are in line with your long-term financial objectives. A deposit of funds can be made into your account as soon as the following business day, provided that the funds have been accepted. Pros. Fast funding. Lending Point places a strong emphasis on providing quick approval and funding. Approach that is personalized. The underwriting procedure takes into consideration a variety of elements in addition to credit ratings. Construction credit. Punctual payments have the potential to contribute to the construction or improvement of credit. Cons. There is a possibility that Lending Point will impose an origination fee, the amount of which is contingent upon the regulations of the state. There is a possibility that interest rates will be relatively high. This is especially true for individuals who have poorer credit scores. Number 5. Lending Club. Peer-to-peer lending for diverse borrowing needs. Using a peer-to-peer lending network, Lending Club brings together individual investors and borrowers to facilitate financial transactions. This strategy makes it possible to have more flexible lending criteria, and it can also create opportunity for people who have poor credit to obtain a loan. Application process. The application process can be completed online by filling out a form that contains information about your current financial condition. Review by investors. Your request for a loan is posted on the platform for individual investors to go at. In the event that investors are interested, you will be presented with a loan offer that includes the terms and circumstances of the loan. Upon completion of the funding process, the total amount of the loan will be paid into your account. Pros. There are many different kinds of loans that may be obtained through Lending Club. These loans include personal loans, loans for businesses, and loans for medical expenses. Interest rates that are competitive. It is possible that the interest rates offered by traditional lenders are competitive. Credit establishment. Payments that are made on time are reported to credit agencies, which may be beneficial to the process of credit establishment. Cons. The loan amount is reduced by the origination cost that Lending Club charges. This price is subtracted from the total amount of the loan. There is no assurance that your loan will be approved because the peer-to-peer lending model requires that you garner sufficient investor interest in order to be approved. In spite of the fact that having poor credit may make it difficult to obtain loans, there are trustworthy lenders who are expressly geared towards serving this demographic segment. Before making a choice, it is essential to conduct a thorough analysis of the terms, interest rates, and fees offered by each potential lender. Additionally, it is essential to make the most of this opportunity to enhance your credit score by ensuring that your payments are made on time and by handling your finances in a responsible manner. Understanding the terms of the loan and committing to prudent financial behavior will contribute to a favorable borrowing experience and may even improve your credit standing over time, regardless of which lender you choose. Upstart, One Main Financial, Avant, Lending Point, or Lending Club.